John Arrowsmith, Tactica Sacra, Plans for Holy War, Episode 15. Nil itaque mirdri si antiquus illa serpens, quem capitis sui maxima tenet solicitudo, nullum non moverit lapidem ut huic textui, de ipsius contritione vaticinanti tenebras offunderet. And so, itaque, nil mirdri. Now, miri is a neuter singular genitive from the adjective mirasaum, so it's mirum, and here it is a partitive genitive, nil miri, and so it is no surprise. So what we have is nil, and then miri, and then the verb est is implicit. And so it is not at all surprising if that ancient serpent, antiquus illa serpens, this is a reference to Genesis 3:16, so this is the devil or the slanderer. And then we're going to have a relative clause which describes that serpent, whom, of course the antecedent of quem is serpens, masculine and singular, whom, for his own head, capitis sui, the very greatest concern, maxima solicitudo, grips, tenet. So capitis sui is neuter singular genitive, and the subject of tenet is solicitudo. Now this is sometimes spelled with two L's, like so solicitudo. It's a feminine singular nominative, and it's a third declension noun. So we would say, whom the greatest concern for his head grips, tenet, something like that. It's no surprise if that ancient serpent, non moverit, has not left unmoved, or has not moved no stone, nullum lapidem. So we would say, if that ancient serpent has dislodged every stone, so this is a metaphor or a figure of speech. We have something quite similar in English. We would say, has left no stone unturned. So that was the protasis, the C clause, si moverit, that's the C clause. If he has not left any stone unmoved, and then the apodosis is this, nil itaque miri, it is no surprise, or it would be no surprise. And then we have at the very end the ut clause. So I'm taking ut through offunderet. I'm taking this as a purpose clause, that is enuntiatum finale, it's a purpose clause. If he has left no stone unturned, so that he might, this was his purpose, pour over offunderet. So this is the verb fundo, fundere, which means to pour upon, and it's obfundere, so to obscure, that he might pour over this text, huic textui, he might pour shadows or darkness over it, tenebras. So this is the feminine plural, accusative tenebras, object of offunderet. The indirect object is huic textui. This is a masculine singular dative, and it's a fourth declension noun, textus, like so, it's a fourth declension noun. It's modified, textui is, by both huic and here by vaticinanti. Now, vaticinanti is a participle. Notice down here, it's from the verb vaticinor, like so, the deponent verb, which means to prophesy, vaticinor, vaticinari. If he has poured shadows, or in order to pour shadows, tenebras, on this text, the one that prophesies, vaticinanti, de ipsius contritione. It prophesies his own trampling. So contritione over here, feminine singular ablative, the object of the preposition de, and ipsius in the masculine singular genitive refers to Satan. I have here included the finished version of my translation, which will be forthcoming in 2022, if you want to read what it might sound like when a little more polish has been placed upon it.
If you enjoyed that little video lesson, please go ahead and subscribe for us, click the bell, and so forth. Check out the other videos on this page, leave a comment, and please be sure to check out our Patreon page as well.